Dear children, today we are going to start with exercise 5.3, and in this exercise we will do the sum of the terms of AP. Till now we have done the nth term an, and now we will be doing the sum of terms, right? And in this exercise there are statement questions also. Few deletions has been done by the CBSE also, that I will let you know. But let's start with the concept of the sum of n terms, right? Sum of n terms, we say it as Sn. It is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can say like this also, n by 2, 2a you can bifurcate it, a plus n minus 1 into d. And you know, a plus n minus 1 into d, it is what? It is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, na? Right? In place of this, can we write an? Right? So Sn will be equal to n by 2 a plus, in place of this let's write an. Right? A is what? A is the first term, and an is what? An is the last term. So you can write it as like this also, n by 2 a plus l, where a is the first term of the AP and l is the last term of the AP. Clear? So when you will be doing the questions of the sum of n terms, you can use this formula also, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or you can use, in case if last term is given, so you can use this direct formula also, n by 2 a plus an, means n by 2 first term plus last term. Clear? Let's do exercise 5.3, question number 1. I am doing its third part. Its third part statement is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, ... 200 terms, and you have to find its sum. Sum means you have to find Sn. Now for finding Sn, you know n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We will use this formula. First of all, let's see what is a. A is 0.6. Clear? What is d? D is a2 minus a1. 1.7 minus 0.6. It is 1.1. Clear? And n is what? 100. N is 100. D is 1.1 and a is 0.6. So let's find Sn. Sn formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 100 upon 2 into, in place of a you will write 0.6 plus n is again 100 minus 1 and d is 1.1. Let us solve this. Here when you will be solving, there is a decimal point, so please be careful while solving this, right? You do it step by step. Don't skip the steps. This is, I am cutting it. 50, 100 divided by 2, it come out to be 50. 0 into 0.6 into 2, it come out to be 1.2. 6 to the 12, So 0.6 multiplied by 2, it will come out to be 1.2 plus this is what 99 into this is 11 upon 10. So it is 50. It is 12 upon 10 plus 99 multiplied by 11. What you will be getting? 11 9 the 99, 9, 11 9 the 99 and 9, 108 upon 10. It come out to be 50, 10 LCM, 12 plus 1089, 10 divided by 10 1, 1 multiplied by 12, 12 plus 10 divided by 10 1, 1 multiplied by 1089, 1089. It come out to be 50 into this will be 2 and 9 11, 1, 8 and 8 9 and 10 0, carry 1 and 1. It come out to be 1 1 0 1. Clear? 9 2 12 1 1. Clear? Upon 10, this 0 and this 0 will cancel. Multiply 1101 by 5. What you will be getting? 5 on the 5, 0, 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5. So your answer is 5505. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Look again, A is 0.6, D is, you will subtract 1.7 minus 0.6, it come out to be 1.1 and N is 100. Use the formula and put all the values. N upon 2 means 100 upon 2. 2 into A means 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 and D is 1.1. 50, 100 by 2 cut 50, 1.2 into it come out to be 99 into 11 upon 10. This is 12 upon 10 into multiply 99 by 11, 1089 upon 10. Take the 10 LCM. You will be getting 12 plus 1089 here, right? 50 into, add these two, you get 1101 upon 10. This 0 and this 0 cancel. 1101 multiplied by 5, you will be getting this answer. Clear? Children, question 1 and question 2, they are exactly same, but even then I am doing one part of question 2 also for you, right? I am rubbing this formula, just keep this formula in your mind. Now come to question number 2. I am doing its, which part shall I do? I am doing its first part, right? There is fraction value, no? So that's why it will be different. Find the sum. This question number 2, I am doing its first part. Find the sum. Sum of what? 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dot 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 84. 7 plus 10 by 10 1 by 2 plus 14 dot 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 84, right? And you have to find sum, means you have to find Sn. You have to find Sn. What is A? A is 7, right? This is AP. But here plus is written, plus means you have to add. But this is AP. First term is 7, second term is 10 1 by 2, third term is 14 and the last term is 84. So last term AN you can say is 84. Clear? Now children, listen one thing. You know Sn formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, but here difference is not there, so we will find difference. n is not there. So let's see how we will do it. So let's find d. D is what? 2, 10 the 20 and 1. 21 by 2 minus 7. It come out to be 2. 21 minus 14 come out to be 7 by 2. This is a difference. D. Got it? Now, our SN formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But n is so not there. N is not there. So, how can you find n? For finding n, I give you one clue, bachche. Here an is given. I am doing here. I am taking half of portion, right? I want Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But n is not there. I want n. Got it? So, how we will find n? I will find n from an. You know an is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. An is given, a is given, d you have taken out. So you can find n na? So in this question, if you see, there are two parts. But you are using two formulas. One this formula you are using and one this definitely you have to use for finding the sum. Clear? So how will you do it? An is 84, a is 7 plus and I don't know into d is 7 upon 2. This 4 will come to this side. 84 minus 7 is equal to n1 minus 1 into 7 upon 2. 84 minus 7 is 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. This is multiplier. This multiplier will reciprocate to the other side. It will be divided on the other side. So what you will be getting? 77. 2 will go up and 7 will come down is equal to n minus 1. 7 1, 7 11. 11 to the 22 is equal to n minus 1. This minus will come to this side. It become positive. So n will come out to be 23. So you have got the value of n from here. Now it is very easy to find Sn. Sn, for finding Sn, you can put in this also or you can put in this formula also. A plus an. I told you two formulas, no? This is more easy because in this case you will not have to elaborate the complete, right? Because a is there, an is there, n is there, so we can find Sn. What is n? 23 upon 2. What is a? 7. What is an? 84. It is 23 upon 2 into this come out to be 91. 23 multiplied by 84, 7 multiplied by 84, it come out to be 90. 7 plus 84 will come out to be 91. Now you will multiply 91 by 23. What you will be getting? 3, 3 9 the 27, 2, 2 9 the 18, 3 9 0 2. That is 2093 upon 2. You can write it in the mixed fraction form also. 2 1 the 2 0, 2 4 the 8, 2 6 the 12, 1 by 2. This is the value of Sn. Clear? No doubt. Question is lengthy, and in third question also all the questions are of this kind only. You will have to do two formula. You have to use both the formulas. Either in some part an is given, d you have to find, n you have to find, yeah, sn you have to find. Like some quantities are given and other two quantities you will have to find out. So for other two quantities you will have to, in most of the question you will have to use both the formulas, right? So once again I am explaining this question, please see it very carefully. Find the sums 7 plus this is given to you, this is AP, right? You have to find its sum. In this AP, 7 is A, last term an is 84, you have to find d. D is what? 21 by 2, this is 21 by 2 minus 7, it come out to be 7 upon 2. Clear? This is D. Now, you are asked to find Sn. So, for Sn, the formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yeah, n by 2, a plus an. In both these formulas, a is there, d is there. So, you want n also. Here also you want n. N is not given. So, for finding n, we will use this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 84, a is 7 plus n minus 1, d is 7 by 2. 7 will come to this side, negative, it becomes 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 upon 2. This will be reciprocated to the other side. 2 will go up and 7 will come down, is equal to n minus 1. 7 11 the 11 to the 22 is equal to n minus 1 and come out to be 23. Now this n is 23, so you can find Sn very easily. N is 23 upon 2, right? A is 7 first term and last term an is 84. 23 by 2, this come out to be 91. 91 multiplied by 23 come out to be 2093 upon 2. You can change it to the mixed fraction. Clear, children? Until or unless you will not do its practice with your hand, you will not be able to do it properly. You may understand, but once you do it with your hand, then only you will be getting perfection in these questions, right? Now come to the next third question. In the third question, there are many parts, and I tell you one thing, children, today you will complete all the 3 questions, right? And I am going to do the first part for you, right? In an AP, it is given that A is equal to 5. Question number 3, I am doing its first part. It is given A is equal to 3 and A is given 5. D is given 3 and An is given 50. You have to find n and Sn. Here he has said clearly you have to find n also and Sn also. In the previous question which we have done, that is also same, but there in that question we had to take the idea ki why n was required, right? Here it is directly told to find n. Sn, so of course you have to find out. How will you find n? N you will find by using An formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us say this is the first part. When you do the question by making its part, it becomes easy for you to understand and to do also. Let this is first part. In the first part, I am using An to find n. Okay. An I have got 50. It's given to me. A is 5 plus n minus 1 and d is 3. This 5 will come to this side. 50 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 50 minus 5 is 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 3 will come down. N minus 1 is equal to 45 upon 3. It come out to be 15. Clear? So n will be what? 15. This minus 1 will go to that side, plus 1, it come out to be 16. So first part, first value you have got. Come to now second part. In second part I am going to find Sn. For finding Sn, you know formula is n by 2. A plus an also I can use. No? This is the simplest when an is there. No? N is what? 16 upon 2. A is what? 5. An is what? 50. N is 16. 16 by 2. A is 5 plus an is 50. It come out to be 16 by 2 into 50. 5. 2 1 the 2. 8 the. Multiply 55 by 8. 8 5 the 40, 0, 4, 40 and 4, 440. So this is your Sn. I hope this is clear to you, children. This is very easy. First we will use formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 50 is equal to A is 5 plus n minus 1, D is 3. 5 go to that side. 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 3 will come down. 45 upon 3, 15. N minus 1 is equal to 15. So n is equal to 15 plus 1, that is 16. Got it? Now n is there, we have to find Sn. Sn is n by 2 A plus an. N is 16 by 2. A is 5 plus an is 50. Do the calculation and get the answer. Clear all of you? Now come to the next question, बच्चे. And next question I am doing is its 7th part. Question number 3. 7th part. If A is equal to 8, it is given A is equal to 8, An is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210, A is 8, An is 62, Sn is 210, and you have to find N also and D also. But it is very clear. D is not given, AP is not given, N is not given. Just two main things you have given, that is An and Sn. It's very natural. You will use the formula of An and Sn. So I am taking it parallel, right? I am taking it parallel. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. है ना? And Sn is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. An is A plus n minus 1 into D. Sn is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. An you are given 62. 62 is equal to A you are given 8 and I don't know, and D also I don't know. Clear? Now we will bring this to this side. 62 minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into t. 54 is equal to n minus 1 into d. Leave it here. Let us see whether it can be used somewhere here. Right? Sn is what? 210 given is equal to n by 2. N is not given na? N by 2. 2 into A is 8. A is 8 plus in place of n minus 1 into d, can I write 54? N minus 1 into d, can I write 54? I have taken out this. So, put it here 54. It is 210 is equal to n by 2. 2 8 the 16 plus 54. 210 is equal to n by 2. 16 plus 54. It is 70. Right? Clear? Now, 2 1 the 230. 5 the. So 210 is equal to 35 and n will be 210 upon 35. I think it will go by 4. 4 5 the 20 0 2 4 3. No, it will go by, okay, 7 5 the, it will go by 6. 7 5 the 35, 7 3 the 0. 5 1 the 5 6 the, so n come out to be 6. 6 5 the 30 0 3 6 3 the 18 and 3. Okay, yes, it will go by 6. Clear? Now, and you have got 6. You want d now. If you put the value of n here, can you find d? Put the value of n here. Can you find d? 54 is equal to, I am putting this arrow mark nicely. I am putting this n here. 54 is equal to 6 minus 1 into d. Clear? 54 is equal to what? 5d, and d will be equal to 54 upon 5. This is your d and this is your n. Once again I am telling you children, A is given 8, An is given, Sn is given. So because An and Sn are given, so it means we will use the formula of An and Sn. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? An 62 is equal to A is 8 plus n minus 1 into d. 8 will come to this side, it become negative. 62 minus 8 come out to be 54 is equal to n minus 1 into d. But n is not given, d is not given, so let's leave it here. Come to this side. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 210 is equal to n by 2, 2 into a is 8 plus here n minus 1 into d is 54. So put it here 54. 210 is equal to n by 2, 2 6 8 the 16 plus 54. 210 is equal to n by 2 into 70. Cut it, you will be getting here 35. 35 n is equal to 210. N will be 210 upon 35. It come out to be 6. Put this value of n in this equation. Come to back. Come back. Right? So 54 is equal to 6 minus 1 into d. 54 is equal to 5d. D is equal to 54 upon 5. So children, I hope it is clear to you. Right? Now, Shall I do one more part of it? Okay. I am doing its last part. Last part is also same. I am doing its last part, 10th part. Question number 3, 10th part. L is the last term, 28. S is a sum, 144. There are 9 terms, means N is 9, and you have to find A. Very easy. You have to find A. An is given 28, sum is given 144, 9 terms means N is 9. You have to find A. So you have to find A. So let's see which formula will be applicable. First I am given the last term. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An last term, this is An last term, okay. 28, A I don't know, plus N 9 minus 1, D I don't know, right. So it is 28 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1, it is 8, D. I just tell you this is a linear equation in 2 variable, right. Come to other side. Sum Sn is what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can use that a plus an also. That is also correct. That is also correct. Okay, let's see. Sn is what? 144 is equal to n is what? 9 by 2. 2 into A I don't know, plus N minus 1, N 9 minus 1 into D I don't know. Sum is 144, N is 9 by 2, 2A plus N minus 1, 9 minus 1 into D. It is 144 equal to 9 by 2. It is 2a plus 9 minus 1, 8 D. Clear? It's better what you do, you take, it's up to you how you solve the question, this equation. Take 2 up, 9 down. 144 into 2. Yeah, here one thing more also you can do. Okay. Upon 9 is equal to 2a plus 8d, 9 1 the 9, 6 the 54, 6 2 the 32 is equal to 2a plus 8d. Take 2 common from the whole equation. It come out to be 16 is equal to a plus 4d. This is your second equation. Here you could solve in other way also. How? You just take 2 common out of this. 2a plus 8d. Take 2 common. If you take 2 common, it come out to be a plus 4d. That 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. Here it will be left a plus 4d only. And this 9 will come down, it come out to be 16. So 16 is equal to a plus 4d. So this equation you can solve in other way also. This is up to you how you. This all depend upon your arithmetic aptitude, how you solve the equations, how you do the calculations also. Now you have got one this equation and second this equation. Solve both the equations by, again let's do by elimination method. A plus 8d is equal to 28 and a plus 4d is equal to 16. This I can say this is the first part, this is second part, and here I am starting third part. Let us subtract minus, minus, minus. It come out to be 4d is equal to, here you will be getting 12. D is equal to 12 upon 4, that is 3, right? Put this value of D in equation 1. A plus 80 is equal to 28. A plus 8 into 3 is equal to 28. A plus 24 is equal to 28. A is equal to 28 minus 24, it come out to be 4. So you have got the value of D. Look at this question once again, children. Here AN is given 28, L is AN. Sum is given 144, N is given 9, and you have to find A. Because AN and SN both are given, so naturally you will use both the equations. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 28 is equal to A plus N is 9 minus 1 into D. 9 minus 1 is 8. A plus 8D is equal to 28. This is your first equation. Come to this side. Sn is 144 is equal to N by 2, 9 by 2, 2A plus 9 minus 1 into D. 144 equal to 9 by 2, 2A plus, it come out to be 8, D. 2 will go up, 9 will come down. This come out to be 32 is equal to 2A plus 4D. Take out 2 common from the whole equation. Yeah, you can say divide the whole equation by 2. Come out to be 16 is equal to A plus 4D. This is one equation, this is another equation. Both the equations you solve by elimination method. A plus 8D is equal to 28. A plus 4D is equal to 16. Subtract, this will cut. 8D minus 4D, 4D is equal to 12. D is equal to 12 by 4, that is 3. Put this value of D here in this equation. A plus 8D is equal to 28. A plus 8 into 3 is equal to 28. A plus 24, 8 3 is 24, is equal to 28. A is equal to 28 minus 24, it come out to be 4. So children, today you will do exercise 5.3 till question 3, complete all parts, right? Thank you. Have a nice day.